In this problem, we're asked to write expanded notation. Write expanded notation for 8,843. In order to do this, we need to determine the place values for each digit. 3 is in the ones place, 4 in the tens, 8 in the hundreds, and 8 in the thousands. So to write expanded notation, we write the number 8,843 equals, and we begin at the left, 8 thousands plus 8 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. And that is expanded notation for 8,843.